What's up again, readers? We're diving into Neff's pick this week, Cash Daddies 87. Cash Daddies episode 87. We've got Cleveland Cliffs, we've got that steel, we've got that American-made steel. Interesting to me that they actually put in American steel into that bill, considering, you know, Obama is very potentially the one in control at the moment, and he chose Chinese steel for the U.S. military so long ago. Weakened Chinese steel. Anyway, we are looking at Cleveland Cliffs. No, we're not looking at Cleveland Cliffs. We're looking at RNA, which I just went over. So we're going to switch to Cleveland Cliffs. Cleveland Cliffs is very, very nice. So we're going to go up to the monthly level. Let's talk monthly level, high level, key levels here. So one of the main levels we're watching at the moment is 50 right here. You can see, right? Touch. Approximately 50 looks like a nice round level. And we also had one at 25. So actually, the major level we're looking for is 25. Forgive me, I had to redo the video. But 25 is the nice one now. 50 is going to be our target, which you'll see in a minute. So 25 key level, and this is what's really cool. We are looking at the monthly level. Since March 2020, we have just been bullish straight up through the moving averages, up to 25, which is previous resistance support level. Excuse me, as you can see over here. We sold off from there and came back down, and we've formed what is a flag/pennant pattern, which you can see better on the weekly level, which we'll talk about in a second, so we'll save that. But we have this massive bullish candle at the monthly level. This is a monthly candle. This is hugely bullish in March. People were jumping in, and this is why it's so interesting, is because it basically slammed through 3 resistance levels, I think. So we have the flag technical structure that we're going to look at in a second. We have the 25 key level, $25 key level, historical support resistance, and the 200 monthly moving average, which is kind of huge. So it just slammed up through that, which is big and strong. Volume is above the moving average down here. So good, strong, decent volume. Now, the only thing to keep in mind is we have not retested, which is why I have these arrows in this box here. We'll get into that in a moment. But so we now have lots of bullishness. We don't even need to look at like indicators or anything. Cool. Slammed right back up through. So we are now trading above the 200 period monthly moving average, which is generally very, very bullish. Let's go to weekly real quick. So weekly, you can see we have this flag. We have a flag pattern here, highlighted. Actually, let's color code this a little bit better here. Okay. So flag pattern, right? Now, in order to get a target from the flag pattern is you create the flag pole. So you go from the bottom of the move, up to the top of the flag, and you just extend that where the breakout has happened approximately. And that gives you the target for the flag. And a lot of times what will happen is you might see another flag show up. So this brings us all the way up towards the high 40s. Where, as I said previously, we have a long-term resistance at 50 from previous resistance level around 50. Nice round number, which is also nice because our support level here is 25. So it looks like this is enjoys moving in $25 increments, which, I put a line up here for 75, just thinking, $25 increments, 75. Yep, perfect, right? Support resistance levels right here at 75. So this is moving in chunks of 25 for medium to longer term trades. All right, but let's dive back in here. So we've slammed up through those resistance levels, but we have not retested. So we have not retested the 25 support level. We have not retested the flag pattern, which you would also expect. And I think we have that 200. Well, yeah, ignore that for now. So I've got a Fibonacci retrace just to give us an idea. Now you don't even need this right now because you know that this wants to retest 25. So you know it's going down somewhere to here. It also wants to retest a flag pattern. So you've got a zone right in here. This is a buy zone. We can kind of give that a little more confirmation by using some Fibonacci analysis, which, you know, our 61% right here brings us right into that zone. Okay, so we can kind of stack analysis there like that. So this is our support retest buy zone, which is approximately, let's just say 22.75 to 25, right? 22.75 or 23 to 25. Nice zone to watch for. Technically, you'd want to watch for a reversal candlestick pattern. I mean, honestly, in this case, I think you could actually just buy it if it gets down to that level. We're watching for a bounce, as you can see with these arrows, and this is going to move up into our target zone, our flagpole target zone right in here. We also have a Fibonacci target zone. So we have three things here. We got Fibonacci target zone of the 61 or like 1.618% type of extension. The flagpole target right around 47.75, and the $50 long-term resistance level. So we now have a zone. This is our target zone, right? So we could say 45 to 50 is where you would sell that play. So this is your swing play, 25 potentially to 50. That is medium term. There's, you know, a lot of the traders in the Discord are doing much shorter term stuff, but for you guys, if you're doing shorter term stuff, this is your swing play where you can do, you know, shorter trades, shorter patterns within that, right? So I like this one. I put an alert. I'm going to be watching this to swing up into the high 40s into 50. Cool, guys. That is Neff's pick for this week. Cleveland Cliffs. Give a like, subscribe, follow Chart Daddies on Twitter, follow Cash Daddies on Twitter, follow Cash Daddies on YouTube. And I will see you soon in the charts. Have a good rest of the week. Peace, guys.